Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Venus. If you don't have a Venus account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page, then click on Sign In/Sign Up. Now here, you will see an option for Create Account. Click on Create Account. To create an account, enter all the required information, such as your first name and last name. Next, enter a valid email address. Then enter it again to confirm. Lastly, enter a password you wish to use. To confirm, enter it again on the last field. After entering all the required information, click on the Create Account button. That's how you sign up for Venus. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.